This is a QSAGE model 5X60-42-2+1+2. So this is a 5-screen machine. Each screen section is 60 inches long by 42 inches wide. And the top shoe, you have 2 screens with 2 different gate handles to adjust the flow. So you can have a parallel split scalp, scalp over scalp, or scalp over sift in the top shoe. The bottom shoe has a return screen that you can see here. So that is set up for sifting right now. It can also be set up for scalping. And below that return screen, you have 2 other screens in the bottom shoe. Can also adjust the flow configuration for that to be a scalp over sift or parallel split sift. There's a lot of different flow options on this machine. This is also a standard feed roll type hopper. Inside the hopper inlet area, you have an agitator shaft. So it's a shaft with pretty much stakes in it that are installed to comb through trashy product. Below that, you have a small little feed roll to remove some of the finer stuff. And also, what's a little special about this is the orientation of the fans. They're at a back 45 degrees to accommodate for a current installed machine. So this is replacing a machine that's at the facility already, not a new facility. A lot of access windows, be able to see product running through there. Discard side. Thanks for watching.